and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite breakfast smoothies and bowls. They're definitely healthy recipes. Hopefully I'll give you guys some ideas for you. They are also dairy free. I'm going to be sharing with you guys two healthy breakfast options today that I like to eat on and snack on. Let me just first say that you can definitely lose weight. I lost over 20 something pounds, and honestly, losing weight is more about eating right than it is working out, because for the first 6 weeks I didn't even work out. And if you've watched my previous videos, I have harped on this over and over. I'm not going to continue to harp on it. Losing weight is more about what you're putting in your system. It's literally 90% eating right and 10% working out, because even when I did start working out, I only worked out 2 to 3 days a week, if that. But your weight drops off mostly about what you're putting in your system. So eating organic, eating healthy, changing your lifestyle is the biggest thing you can do if you really truly want to lose weight or just be healthy. And the more healthy you are, of course, in the long run, hopefully the less amount of issues and problems that you have. So I'm definitely going to show you guys two breakfast options I like to do. Now granted, I eat meals. I eat lots of snacks. I eat multiple meals. So my first meal that I usually do is around 6, 7 in the morning. I'm an early bird, so I work out if I do. And then I eat breakfast. I eat an actual real breakfast, like meats and proteins and my coffee and all of that. Then around 9:45, 10 a.m. I always do another breakfast snack. So this is what I'm going to show you, my smoothie or my bowl that I like to do. Then I turn around and eat lunch at 12, and then I eat another snack around 2 or 3, and then I eat dinner later. So I eat multiple times a day and I snack multiple times a day. So that goes to show you, you can lose weight eating multiple meals, eating multiple times a day, and snacking. You can do it. It's just about what you're putting in your system, okay? So I just really want to harp on that first. You don't have to try to not eat all day or eat once a day, or I don't even do calorie intakes. I base what I put in my system based off the things that I'm trying to live by. So like more organic foods, I try to keep down the sugar, try to keep down the carbs, you know, stuff like that. That's what I've been on all this year. And so far, so good. My body looks amazingly great. I feel wonderful. So I hope I can inspire you guys to do a lifestyle change. And you don't have to feel pressured or anything, but it definitely will pay off in the long run. So let's get started. I'm first going to start with my smoothie. I'm doing a protein smoothie. The items I'm going to be using are raw organic protein powder. I'm going to use almond milk as well as some fresh strawberries. And I'm also going to use some organic chia seeds. And I will leave links below to the things that I can. I doubt I can leave a link to almond milk, but I use different types of almond milk, honestly. Sometimes I use Simply Organic. Sometimes I use Blue Diamond, there's Silk. There are different types of brands of almond milk. I could do a whole review on almond milk, but I will link the things that I can, like the protein powder and the seeds and all of that. I will also leave a link to a place called Thrive Market, which I order a lot of my organic natural foods from, especially dry foods, and they're great because they offer discounted prices, they offer wholesale prices, and they have a ton variety of options to choose from. And if you have not checked out my Thrive Market video that I did in the past, be sure to do that, because I'm using some of those same products that I ordered from there. Okay, first thing I do is I add my fruit, which I'm adding fresh strawberries. Then I'm gonna add my vanilla almond milk. Then I'm gonna add 1 spoon of protein powder. Then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of chia seeds, and then I'm gonna top it off with some ice. So for this, I just use the pre-made already almond milk yogurt, and I throw it in a bowl. and I top it with some freshly cut strawberries, and I throw some seeds over there as well for my nutrition. And there you have it. That's when I need a quick breakfast bowl when you don't have time to make anything or put anything in the blender. That is the quickest thing you can do. Okay guys, there you have it. This is a perfect smoothie for especially after working out or recovering, because this one has protein in it. The other one is without protein, but it's a quick on the go. So either one of these are great options. This is my morning breakfast snack. So yeah, I did lots of strawberries in it. So it's kind of strawberry vanilla-ish. I will say that protein powder kind of tastes like it has a hint of peanut butter in it too. So just be aware, if you order that protein powder, it does have a hint of peanut butter taste. But one more thing for the smoothie, if this is not sweet enough for you, you can always add some raw honey to it and it'll make it just a tad bit sweeter. Like right now, it tastes like vanilla and a little bit of peanut butter. It's not sweet, it's not really sweet. But if you want to, add something sweet, then you can always add like some pineapples, because pineapples are naturally really sweet, or some raw honey, or even a sugar substitute if you really wanted to get a sweeter taste, if this is too bitter for you. But hey. But yeah, so all of this is dairy free, it's healthy, and I hope I gave you some healthy options to start your morning. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, guys. I really do appreciate it. As well as if you want to leave me a comment, I read those as well. If you have not subscribed, if you're new here, my name is Angel and I share everything lifestyle. So from fashion to health and DIY projects, I share all of that. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I'll see you guys on my next one.